like a bleeding road. When you're down, you need a love and protection. When you're lonely, you need a love and affection. When you're hurt, you need someone there to lend you a hand and open their heart. Just let the rain fall down the way. Gonna marry you someday. When you're out there on your own and no one's calling you, I'll be there waiting in your door. In the Nashville rain, all colors come out, baby. Yet I love you, I wanna see your face. When your ship has broken sail and you're crying with no veil, let your heart feel my love, and you're never gonna be alone in the Nashville rain. Everything come alive when you want someone to heal the open wound of a past relationship that been broken too soon. Would you comfort me in my time of pain now? Would you give me your rose instead of your dismission? Would you lie? I know you wouldn't. Would you cry? I know you wouldn't. In the Nashville rain will cover you. You want me to love you when you're out and about. It's hard to hold a candle in the rain and see life through the fog of pain and shame you had before, but now it's gone. You are free now. Baby, Nashville rain in your eye doesn't mean the love is gone, but the love just sleeping tight. I can wake it up. I can make you feel my heart beating in the rhythm of my feeling. Ooh, would you be my wife? I see the love inside your eyes. It will never die. Yeah. Nashville rain to fall down another. Yeah. Everybody needs some time to clear their mind, to clear their mind. Ooh, everyone needs some protection in a time of hardship. Ooh. Listen to the rain. Yeah. wanna need every piece of your loving. You're gonna start with a kiss, baby. If you need my body, my soul, and my life, baby, Nashville rain is the rain of my love. You want to feel it all, yeah, yeah, in the Nashville rain. When the going gets tough, gonna lift up the curtain of your mind. And the hardest thing to do, make someone to be in love with you. Getting harder through the pain. You gotta let love right. Hold on, hold on. You must live up to expectation of your childhood. Let it rain, Lord. Let your mind feel better. Let it hold, burst into flame. Let it rain, Lord. Let it shine through all the lamps you own there. They're all your own. You don't have to fight for them. When you're out there on your own, nobody answering your call, and you hear voice from above. It is God say you're gonna let it rain, love. Let it fall so hard from the top of life. When the seeds will grow and the children learn their stripes. Let it rain, love, from the highest up above. Let it rain, love. Let it shine through your mind. It's like every teardrop, raindrop is the portion. Let it rain, love, just a pure emotion.